we created a folder and I named the folder, and you have a folder here called Zutler Picture Box. So this is going to be your main folder, and within that folder, you're going to create other subfolders which will be dated, okay, by the date that you actually did the photo shoot or took pictures, and you'll have lots of different subfolders within that folder. Now, what happens if I want to open up this folder? Okay, so there are two ways. A lot of times there are two different ways to do the same exact thing. So I can open it, how? By either right-clicking it, okay, so I'm going to click on this and, with my right click of the button, and if you notice, the first thing that it gives you is open. So I'm going to click on that, and again, just a reminder, that's with my left click of the button. So I'm going to click on open, and right now, it just opened this Zutler Picture Box. I'm just moving things around, and I will